Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone is doing good. This video, actually, I wanted to do it for a long time because it's one of those videos that actually why I started doing YouTube, because there are a lot of things on the internet, especially for young engineers like me, people who are working with ORD, OpenRoads designer. It's hard to find like proper answer or another way or a faster way or a better way or an easier way of doing something. And if somebody knows it, they usually just hide it to themselves or their company. They don't tell people about it, or they will try to sell you a course or something, or tell you, come to my webinar, pay this money and I will show you how. Well, I don't like that. I believe in sharing is caring, and caring is sharing. Okay, in this video, I want to show how, let me just show this. This is typical section. I want to show a way in OpenRoads Designer how to evaluate existing slopes in the travel lanes, especially for unique projects, the projects who are not just straightforward, the one who does not have just one typical section, or like two lane, and two lanes are straight up, like you have the center and then maybe curb and gutter, and then you got the lane, straight up lane. Those are like the easy breezy cover girl. No. I'm talking about something complicated like this. You have a median as the typical one, and then here you get under the bridge, another complication, and then you get this, and then you get the off ramp, and then you get the on ramp. So I need a way to evaluate slopes in travel lanes, like something easy and fast, and you do not need 3D work to do it. You do not need a template. So, I mean, if you just went to YouTube, you're gonna find multiple videos. So I've seen multiple of them. All of them are great. I'm not saying anything about them. They are good, but all of them, they use templates. They use ORD, templates, 3D. Like for example, this one from Bentley. I'm gonna mute this. You can go watch it. Just type evaluating existing cross slopes, method 1. They have 2 methods. As you see, you need to create a corridor, and then after that, where's the template library? Yeah, you see, you created a basic template library. Either one that's gonna come from Bentley, which is, I think they stopped actually doing it, but it's easy to create. You need to create one for the center, and then 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. So 3 points, and this point are going to be in the center, this point are going to be in the edges, and literally going to read elevation, 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 and then divide them in the distance of the road and get you the slope. But again, what they are doing here, this is easy breezy cover girl. This is like a simple road. You see how simple it is? Just 2 travel lanes. So of course, I'm not saying that it's not doable. You see how easy the road is? You can actually do it, but it's going to be complicated. You need to create multiple templates according to your typical section. And then also they have this. This is another one, another way. It's called evaluating existing cross slope. Method 2. Also, you need to create a corridor and you need to do a cross section. But they also have the same flaw. This is just an easy breezy cover girl lane, 2 lanes. It's not that hard. I mean, come on now. I'm talking about the hard work, the complicated typical sections. And finally, let's not talk about this. I will talk about this at the end of the video because this is important. This video is important from Kentucky transportation people. Let's go to FDOT. FDOT, I mean, 6 years ago, they created this video. But this is back, I think, yeah, this is SS10. But they also kind of did the same. which is, let me go back to the template, which was great. They actually were were nice. They offer in their ITL, in their library. Yeah, this is actually, oh my, this is not even assistant, this is SS4. So they offer the existing 2-lane, 4-lane, and 6-lane. But again, I'm not complaining. You can go there and modify it. So they are using the same method, which is you basically see the lanes, and these points are designed to go to the edges and read the elevation, and then in the middle give you slope, 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 slope. And of course, you can modify this. And I know a lot of people already done this, but I'm talking about ORD and when you have complicated typical sections. So I thought to offer a way of doing it, a way that I tried it and it worked. I was like, oh my God, it's probably not going to work, but we will show you how it's going to work. And you see this lovely report. If you want to run template, just go watch these videos, learn from them, do your templates, and leave this video if you want to do the templates. But if you do not want to run a template, you want to try something else, I got something else for you. So what we're going to need is, I'm going to do this example I'm going to use ORD 1010. I mean, you can use 10.9 or MicroStation SS10, SS4, or even MicroStation. I have it here, the Connect Edition, but I'm just going to use 1010 for now. All of them will work because all of them are products of Bentley. All of them have the same programming background, so it's going to work. And you're going to need an Excel. It's lovely Excel. I called it LOL. So let's get to work, right? First thing we're going to do, I'm just going to create a straight up and just new file just for our work. Here we go. Why it doesn't want to work? Oh, it's already open somewhere else. Hold on, where? I don't see it. What's going on here? Okay. Oh, you know what? Let's clear crash. Let's do it from the beginning. Yeah, let's do this together because I hope this will help somebody out there. Okay, we are back. So what I was gonna do is, like I said, create a file. I'm just gonna create another design file, just a typical 2D one. It doesn't have to be a 3D or anything, just a normal one. So let's create it from scratch and open it. Yeah, and by the way, there are another point that I want to add to what I said earlier. I mean, even if we went to, well, at least the latest template that came from FDOT, maybe I'm wrong, somebody correct me, but it basically, what I'm noticing what DOT is doing, they do not offer that template here anymore. I don't see it. The existing service, existing slope evaluation template. I mean, I don't even see it here. I know how to create it. It's not that hard. But again, this video is not for doing the 3D. This video is showing other way because I don't even see it here. And I'm noticing DOT also, they not as, I'm not gonna say generous. They stopped adding a lot of things. I guess because they are leaving it to the designer to do how you want to do it. But no shade to FDOT. I mean, it's just a lot has changed since SS4, SS10, and now ORD. Yeah, so I just wanted to add that even the template, you're not even going to find it here. You need to create it by yourself for evaluating the existing slopes. But like I said, we're not doing 3D here. We're not doing templates. We're going to do it a different way. So, a fresh file, it's empty, we have nothing in it. Let me show you the references. I'm gonna go and add survey. Where's my baby? Here's my survey. Okay, we have the survey. Oh no. Yeah, it's the levels are off. I'm gonna turn them on. Let me show you what I'm doing. Here's the level. I'm just gonna on all of them. You can do it like this. This will work. Just straight up add it like this. Or if you want to be fancy schmancy, DOT are nice. They added this lovely tool here. It's called Attach Survey. Let me show you what this tool will do. I'm just gonna deattach this. But again, with this tool, you need to have your own separate alignment file. Because if you guys noticed here, if I added the survey like this, and if you guys already got the alignment from the survey, which is I do not recommend, you should create your own alignment. I already have a video on my channel showing how to create the alignment, following with the survey I give you. Because surveyors here in Florida, I noticed they'd like to dump everything into one file. And I am against that. See, the alignment that they gave us, it was here inside the survey. So it's always better to have full control on a file and make your design process better to create your own alignment. Of course, follow the same thing, complex the chain and all that. Go watch the video if you don't know how to do it. But what I was gonna say, if you reference it like this, everything is gonna be dumped together, which is also okay because we still, you see, I can come here to the DTM and make it active as a terrain model. But DOT added this tool here. Just want to highlight it because that's good that they did that for us. Thank you, DOT. Here, FDOT, you see attached survey reference. If we use this tool, oh god, let's go to another project. Here, yeah, survey. If you use this tool literally gonna decipher the survey and make it like multiple references. See? And with that, you can just turn everything off and just keep the DTM if you want the DTM. Here's the DTM. But again, even if I turned all of them on, where's my alignment? Where's my alignment? Actually, you know what? Maybe this should be for DOT. Maybe DOT, you guys need, oh, unusable. Oh God, I know, because I already have it. Because this tool only add the DREX, GDTM, topo, and UTEX. It does not add the alignment. Which is, I'm like, where's the alignment? Where's the alignment? It was gonna be easy if somebody programmed that, but nobody done it. But like I said, it's okay. There are multiple ways of doing it. Since I already created an alignment, I already have it here. I'm just gonna reference it as a separate file. And let's go to work. Let me put this here. So now, see, I turned off the survey because we don't even need that. If you want to be fancy and look at the road, just click here on aerial. Like I said, this is what I did. Come here, view attribute. Let's show the aerial. So you can see the road in the background. So the first thing we need to do is to activate this. Let's just activate it. Yay. Now it's active in the file. And when you activate it, Bentley program, I mean ORD, automatically will add this to you. So you know that your file actually got some third dimension is active in the file. So what we're gonna start is, I'm gonna show you how, yeah, typical section 1, let's do that. So we have this typical section, see this one? So we have the dimensions here, we have 10, and then the road is 13, and let's just make it 15. So we wanna do travel lane 15, travel lane 15, and we need to leave from, to go from the center 9.25 and then 10.25. You know what, there are multiple ways of doing it. So I'm just gonna do it the first time as like the geometry way, because I want to show you this tool here, and then I can show you a ratchet way, which is straight up copying from the survey. I got you. So go to geometry, and then go to offset and tapers. Click on, yes, this one. Partial, I'm not going to do entire element, because if you do entire element, it's going to be the whole thing. We do not want to do that. I just want to do this because I have specific stations. So the first offset that we need, according to my typical section, you see it's 10. So let's do that. Let's click on this. Oh, let's write it here first. As you see, I already had worked on it before, so Bentley save it. Let me put this here. Okay, so let's do 10. And then first of all, let's click on this. And as you see, when you clicked on it, it will automatically activate the station. So I want the lane to be here. And for feature definition, you get to choose now or later. You can actually change it later. It doesn't matter for this exercise. There are no need for it to be asphalt. It doesn't matter if you put it anything. If you put it railing, it doesn't matter. Or pound, it doesn't matter. Like seriously, because there are no 3D modeling here. So we're not gonna need it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offset this 10. And then the stations, I'm just gonna write what we have in the typical section. We have 9.2, okay, 9.2 plus 12.59, enter. And we want it to end as 9.6 plus 39.63. Click on enter. Here we go, and you see my lovely lane here? Just keep clicking, no, we don't want to mirror it. Ta-da, that's it. That's it, and follow the prompt here, what it's telling you. So we got the lane now. Here we go. We have the lane, and it's telling you here where stars. So now let's do the same thing for to the other ones. I mean, let's do also offset, partial. Let's click here, but here I have 925, so 9.25. Is this the 925 I'm talking about? The other side, the same stations are still there. Great. Then let's do the other offset for the lane. Click on this. So now what we're gonna do is let's add 10 plus 15, 25. Here we go. The 10 and the 15 here, because I want this whole lane. So let's do 25. Ta-da! And now we have our first travel lane. Kabish. Now let's do the other one. The other one is gonna be, oh god, it's the opposite, right? It's 14. Oh, no, hold on. I'm bad at math. I shouldn't say that. I'm an engineer, right? I should be good at math. Well, I am good at math. I'm just OCD. I like to double check and calculate everything. I don't know if somebody like me out there. I mean, you know you're good at it, but you still gotta calculate it just to make sure. Okay, it's 24.25. Just here. Ta-da! Now as you see this? We got 10, 25, 9, and then 15, 15. So now we have the travel lanes. And like I said, as for feature, you can change it later. You just click on it, you see here. You can change it from here. If you want to make it pavement crown, make it pavement crown. It will change it for you. But again, it doesn't matter, seriously. For what we're doing here, we're not even worrying about that. But what it's important is your naming convention, because we're gonna generate a report and we need to have the proper names for you, just so you know what you're doing. So this is a travel lane and this is a travel lane. So what I'm gonna do is the L, this is the R, L1, R1. So what I'm gonna do is, since this is the inside one, this is the closer to the median. See the median here? This is closer to it. So what we're gonna do is just make this I, L1, just for me to know. I can do, name it whatever you want. L1, enter. And then let's do the same thing here. This one, let's name it R1. This one, let's do the same, since inside lane. R1. Okay, now we did that. Now the last step is, let's do this. I want to add stations to this lane. Just hear me out. It's gonna help. We're gonna treat them like they are alignments. So we want to start from here, from the beginning. Click on it. I already put star here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna write the station. Like literally, I'm just gonna write the same station that we have here. This one, 92. So let's just do that. 92 plus 12.59. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, yeah. 92 plus 12.59. Enter. Here we go. Yeah, I wanted to start at 0 and I wanted to start at that. Perfecto. You know what? Now let's do the same thing. I love ORD. So it's already good. Oh, no. Hold on, let me make sure I written it here. Let's see that. Oh, yeah, you see it. We have it here. It start at this station. If you want to be lazy, just click on it like this and do a copy, so you do not have to write it again. And then come here to modify. Why am I talking like this? Anyway, I wanted to start at 0, force it to 0, and then paste the station. Click enter. Make sure it is there, and that's it. And then without even exit, and let's do the other ones too. See, start at 0, same station. And then this, start at 0, same station. Perfect. Now let's just double check. Do they have stations on them? Perfect. Yes, they do. They do have stations. Now what we need to do is, let's hover your lane on them and then click on the open profile. It can ask you to open a view, so let's just select this view. Let's come here. So now we have it, and it's actually, you see the direction is from here to here, and you can actually change the direction too. It's all about the complex, but since we have the same direction, it's good. That's what I want, because I want the stations to go like this. So you come here, click on it, you set it as an active profile. Thank you, Ramesh. Let's close this. Okay. And then let's go to this other lane. Let's do the same. Hover over it, open a profile, come here, and then let's set it as active. And then let's come here. By the way, I have the properties docked here because I am an OCD person. I like to see everything what's going on, and I recommend this to people. If you have two screens, maybe add another screen. I have two screens, but my other screen is let me show you my other screen. My other screen have the other stuff in it. But yeah, so I mean, it's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. Okay, let's just make sure. Is this one, right? No, hold on. Okay, I just forgot. Let me double check again. See what I'm gonna do? I'm super OCD. I have to do it again. Let's make sure they are active. Let's hover over it. When you see this telling you it's clear, that means it's active. Now let's click on this again. I know I just activated. I just want to double check. Okay. Let's come here. Open profile model. And then let's activate it. And then let's come here to this one. Open profile model. And let's come here. Let's activate it. Okay. Good. So let's close this. Now we got our lanes in a sophisticated way. I'm still gonna show you the ratchet weight later by using the geometry and offset and adding stations and all that. And we have this terrain model active. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate a report. Under geometry, go here, station based report. That's why I added the stations. Well, just for me. And you get to select interval. I mean, you can put whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it at 25. And then locate the element. If you select this element and you select this element, it's gonna give you the same thing. It's just about which one is gonna be up top. I want the L one to be first. So I'm just gonna click on this one and then click on this one and then accept. So now we're gonna go here to the reports. Before we do anything else, let's go back to the video. This video from Kentucky Department of Transportation. These people, they have here in Excel that it's amazing. You see what they did here? You guys go watch the video. They did the same, I'm gonna mute this. They did the same mentality that I'm doing, which is literally draw lanes and then name them, activate them, the same stuff that I just did. But what they do have and I do not have, which is I don't know why, I don't know where they got that report from. Let me zoom in. Go watch the video and you're gonna understand what I mean. Yes, this report that they have here, station base report, but this report that they have, this one, station base vertical clearance cross slope report. This thing is amazing. It will show you the vertical clearance, which is the difference in vertical between the two lanes and the lane itself. And the stations, and if you station it, you're gonna have the stations, and you're gonna give you the slope. This one I do not have. Station base vertical clearance, I do not have. I don't know why. But the guy actually in the video, he said it's new on the recording of this video. Maybe Bentley released it and then they took it out. Maybe this is part of their standards. And you know me, I'm nosy. I went to Kentucky website and I downloaded their files, their standards, and I snooped there. I didn't find it. So I'm like, where is this? Where's they got this Excel? But there's still a workaround it. As you can see here, we do not have it. We have this here. You see this cross slope? You see this? But this is not accurate. This is not the one that we want. And let me tell you why. So, for example, here, station base cross slope. I think Bentley, they think cross slope, they think of it differently in the report. And let me show you why this is wrong. Let's just pick a station. Yeah, 96, because I want something solid. Yeah, see 96, station 96. They are telling us that it's 4.73. Let's do this. Let's bring it here. We have this tool here. It's called civil analysis. This is, oh god, I cannot speak English. Civil analysis. I love this tool. Let me show you how to get it. You come to the toolbox. It's in the toolbox. Just get it from here. Yeah. Is it from here? Hold on. Oh, it's not here. I think it's not. It's the task. Is it the tasks? It's one of them. Ugh. No, main task. Yep, main task. Go to the main task. This one. Civil analysis. So, and then click analyze between 2 points. You're gonna get this. It's gonna tell you, it's basically gonna do the calculation of slope. You're gonna get elevation 1, elevation 2, and then the difference in the length, and then gonna give you the slope. Capiche? Let's try that. So here, 96, it's telling us it's 4.73. So let's go to 96 and check. Where is 96? Here is 96. Let me rotate the screen. Let me activate it again. Here we go. So I'm gonna activate it. So what it's gonna tell you is, oh, first of all, you need to select the terrain. And then after that, you just need to do a start point. So I wanna start here, like around the 96, or the exact 96. And then you can go wherever you want, you see? But I wanna go here. Let me put it as like this. Here we go. So the slope is 1.429, which is, this is what Bentley is calling it, slope. This is the proper one. That's the length. You see the length here. That's the length of the travel lane. And you have elevation here, and you get the slope. Here we go. Elevation 1, elevation 2. And then you get the slope with the length of the road. But what here is telling us, it's telling us that it's 4. So I don't know what's up with this Excel. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But I got you. I got you. So this is how I did it, and this is how we're gonna generate the report. And by the way, this tool is lovely. So even if you have a report later, you can just use it to check in. Like you can go to any station, like I said, come here and then go to here. See, you can check all the slope for the travel lane itself. See? It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, which is, I love it. You just need to be precise with the point. It's amazing what technology can do. So now let's go back to the report that I want to generate for us. Geometry, station-based report. We want it to be 25. I want this first and then this second. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this one, station-based clearance, which is these guys here. Where's the report? These special guys in Kentucky. I don't know how you guys did it. Oh my god, I'm gonna do my timesheet. Ugh. Hold on, my timesheet. I already did them. What the heck? It's 9 p.m. What is going on here? Anyway, this Outlook is a mess. Okay, so here it says station-based vertical clearance cross-slope report. They have it here. We do not have it. We only have this one, and it's pissing me off. But that's okay. The work around it is you got your stations, you got the length, the width of the road, and you got the vertical clearance. So what basically the tool does is it went like every 25 and got elevation, give you the vertical clearance difference, elevation, and give you the vertical clearance. So this is what we're gonna do. File, save it as a word. Let's name it LOL. You know, I love my LOL. So go to desktop. By the way, laughing is good for your heart, so just keep laughing. And now we have it saved. So let's minimize this. So let's open my Excel. You can get as fancy as you want, do whatever you want to your report, but I got the file, so I'm just gonna copy it from here. Yeah, and somebody don't come for me. I know I could have exported as an Excel. God, let me not do that. Let's come here. Oof, you know what? I don't like any of these. I'm gonna just delete them. Because I'm gonna pause, because I want to get something else. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, I'm back. I just have to copy some stuff just to make the video move on, because we already have this. Let me just show you this. We already did this for the same road. As you see, the stations, increment of 100 feet, and we got the slopes. We did also for the ramps, the on-ramp, the off-ramp, so we did that. So I just copied this just to make it look cute, but you know, you guys, what I'm trying to say. You get to make it however you want to make it. But here we go. Now we got the stations. So we got the stations, got the type. If you want to add it, you can remove it, and also the width, and you have the elevation different. So what to do is just click equal. Gonna be so silly, and then this divided by this, and then click on enter, and then after that let's make it a percent, and then let's just move it a little bit like this. Oh. And then let's drag it. Ta-da! You got your slopes. You got your slopes with the stations. And also, because I know the minus is a problem, because the minus is just how the program is looking at it. It's not making anything. So just find it and then replace all, if that's what you want to do. It take all the minuses from you. And if you don't like the R2, just click R1. If you want to make it like stations like this, just move it, click here like this, and then replace all. Ta-da! You see? That's what I was trying to do. Since our does not have the capability of giving us this, we can just do it like that, and we get the slopes. And that's how you evaluate existing slopes. Now let's go back and do our R1 too. And we can check too, by the way. Yeah, let's check. So like I said, 96, 1.47. Oh, don't embarrass me. 1.429. Okay, cool. It's around, it's close. Because maybe I'm not exactly on the point. But yeah, it's working. It's the same. It's working. Let's do L. Where's L? Yeah, let's go back again and let's do the R. Select this and then select this. And then let's go, where's the vertical clearance? Here we go. By the way, Bentley, if you guys watching this, where the hell is the Excel? I need it. Why Kentucky have it and here in Florida we don't have it? Well, I'm just joking. I know this is not a Kentucky or Florida thing. I know it's you know what? I'm tempted to go back to 10.9 and check ORD 10.9. Because maybe this guy is not using 10.10 and maybe they removed it. Interesting. But why they're... Oh, this is in 2020. Yeah, a lot of changes happened from Bentley, and Bentley removed a lot of Excels. I mean, report-based stuff like this, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So let's copy the R, the file, save as. By the way, if people in the comments want to come for me, save it for Excel. I tried to save it for Excel, LOL2. See, it's supposed to save, right? Here we go. Got it. Saved it as LOL2. Let's copy these from here. And then let's copy this. And then let's go here. You know what? Let's make this L1. You guys, you know what I mean. You can modify it however you want as long as you have the slopes. So let's come here. Let's do R1. And then let's drop them here, right? Oh, to copy them again. Copy. And then let's go back here. Let's get the numbers. And then, like I said, equal. You know what? Maybe Bentley will add this in the next update. Maybe, I don't know. It's kind of a trend I'm noticing. Even DOT, like they were like more... I don't know, the more technology is advancing, the more they are like taking a lot of resources, the more like they are making life harder. Not for experienced people. Well, I'm just gonna call myself... Oh, I'm hoarding my own torn. Hold on. I'm touring... Anyway, I'm calling myself experienced. No, but like seriously, I'm noticing the more we advance, the more a lot of resources are going, which is kind of sad. Because the young people who are coming who doesn't know this stuff, they have to suffer more. It's like they're making it harder. I was like, no, we should make it easier for the younglings. Why do we have to make it harder for them? I'm talking about fresh engineers from school who doesn't know what to do. But again, that's why I'm here to show you stuff. So yeah, with that said, that's it. I mean, we can remove the same stuff, the minus, whatever. But like I said, with that, we have the travel width lane. We have the different of elevations, and we got the slope. The slope of the travel lane. The slope of the travel lane. And that's how you evaluate slope of travel lane. And if you don't trust, or your boss is telling you, oh no, I don't trust your table, just use this tool, go to the station that you guys have a problem with, select the terrain that is active, and then click on it, and then click on whatever you want to click here, and get the slope for him, whatever station you want. And if it's really pinpointy, you want to like the exact station, you can do that. You can get the station that you want, you can get whatever you want. It's not... Get you see the stations you want to like the exact station, just move it to wherever you want till you're locked to a station that you want. I mean, just utilize the tools here. So, I promise you at the end of the video I'm going to show you a ratchet way of doing it, which is what we're going to do right now. no, what did I, oh, oopsie. I'm trying to delete these. By the way, these you can change actually. I recommend actually just put them, well, they are in construction line. I mean, or non-plotting. I love non-plotting. So you get to play with these. Activate this. See, come here, come here. And by the way, I mean, anywhere, like seriously, since you have that anywhere, you get to know the slope. Anywhere, it doesn't have to be lanes. This is how amazing this tool is. And if you want to turn on the survey, turn on the survey. If you want to know exactly the edge of pavement and all that, let me turn all of them on. See, if you want to like know that, you can do that. Start point, go to here, and you get your slope. Drop point. See, let me move here. Let me move here. No, I don't want it like. And you can actually, yeah, you see, you can get the slope wherever you want. So, because as you know, guys, it's getting the slope from the triangles from the DTM. See? And as I'm being nice, since I like you guys, what should I do? What do I want to do? Oh yeah, let me save this. There's also another way of checking your slope. So I'm just gonna hover over this, right click. I want to activate it because I want to open the triangles. Oh yeah, it's gonna take a while. Okay, we're back. So I activated this because I wanted to open the triangles. See the triangles here? Double click. We have them. So if you just hovered over them, you see this is the pavement, the edge of pavement, the lanes, the bike lane, and all that mess. I mean, you see here? You actually have slopes too, so that's another way of finding a slope. But still, this is not the ratchet way that I'm talking about. Still gonna show it to you. I know a video is almost 40 minutes, 40 plus now. Oh yeah. Okay, I need to hurry up. Okay, so we got that. I just want you to show you that. Let's hold right click. Let's deactivate. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh god. I need to turn them off. Now I have to activate again. Okay. Oh, bye. I don't know why it's slow. I think it's my computer. You know what? I don't think it's just my computer. I think it's the recording program that I'm using. It's making it slow, and my computer is slow too. Okay, let's pause the recording. Okay, we are back. I turned off the triangles. So let me show you the ratchet way. So the ratchet way is as follows. These are from the survey. So this ramp, this lovely on-ramp, I want to know the slopes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. I mean, click on it. And I only want the travel lane. I mean, you can go to the edge of pavement. You can go also here. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to copy this mess. So let's just copy it. Make sure it's here. So this is the ratchet way. So then let's turn off the other stuff. Let's just leave the DTM. See, I turned off everything. I just left the DTM. So what we're gonna do is right now, let's work on these lines, the ones that we got from the survey. So and then delete. And I want this to go here. Oh no, let me turn off this. I want this to go here. Then I want to use this to this. See, we have a travel lane. And then I want this lane. Again, this is the ratchet way. So do it as you wish. If you want to use, if you don't want to use like the offset thing, the taper, which is again, I am a big advocate for. There are multiple ways of I'm not gonna say skinning a cat because I love cats. I don't know why is there even a saying in America? There are multiple ways of skinning a cat. That means somewhere, someday, somebody was skinning cats, right? You know what? let me delete this. I just want to keep this. So somewhere, someday, anyway, there are multiple ways of eating a chicken. And it's the same thing for CAD. There are multiple ways of doing everything. So always try to do whatever works for you. And I'm a big advocate of finding easy ways like this, especially for young generation like me who doesn't have a lot of people to teach them. Because I know a lot of people that don't want to teach nobody. Okay, so now we got this. We got the lines straight up from the survey. What we're going to do is let's go back to geometry. Let's complex them. Let's do complex element. Again, you can do a feature, you don't have to, it's not a big deal. So just pay attention to the arrow because we want the lanes to go like that. So we clicked on the first element and it already complex because it was automatic. If you left it in manual, you have to complex this with this with this, but I want them to complex all of them. So accept, ta-da, it complexed it for us. So now let's click on this. And then, oh, what happened? No, don't do that. Okay. Okay, let's do complex. I'm going to do it manual. So let's click on this. See, the arrow is here, showing here. I don't want it here. No, no, no. I want it to go to the opposite side. That's the next element. And then reset, complex it. Make sure it's complex like that. Oh, okay, cool. And we can also add a station to it. This is how amazing this way is. Let's go to modify, let's go start station, add a start station. We can start at this or we can start wherever you want. I'm gonna start at station number 1, plus 0, 0, enter. And force it like that, so click on this. Oh, okay, you see, I made a mistake. Oh God, let's go back. It did not complex it right. Okay, this is what I like to do first. Let's go back to home. Where's drawing? Drawing production. No. Drawing. Yes. I like to complex it like this first, since it's a lane. Huh. Is it gonna let me? Yeah. I want to make them as a strain. Okay. So now they are like that. Now let's go to geometry. And now let's complex it. Yeah, you see now it's selecting all of it. Yep, and the arrow is going there. Great. That's it. Reset. Complete. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go back to add a station. We added a station here, right? Oh, no, we didn't. Okay, so now we're going to add it from here. It's going to start from 0. I locked it to 0 and I want it to be 1 station, just for my report. And then I want to add stations here too. See, I want it to start at 0. Distant and station to be 1. Yeah, what's going on here? Why this didn't get... Let me save the file first. Complex by element. Let's do it automatic since now it's a lane. Oh, because I did not complex it. Are you... Okay, yes, now it's complexed. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, see, it's complex. Start from 0, 1 station, and then this is the 0, 1 station. And then we're gonna do what we did before. Of course, this is just still active, so now let's open a profile for this. Here we go. See, we have it here. And then let's activate it. You can see the direction. It's up to you. When you complex it, you get to control the direction however you want to do it. Come here again. And then, yep, got it. Perfect. Last step is let's just name it. I mean, what should we name this? So let's name this inside or LOL. This one, I'm just joking here, guys. You can name it whatever you want. Of course, if you're doing a professional report to DOT and stuff, you should not do this. I'm just doing this for fun. Okay, so now we have this, we have this. So let's go to the tool, station-based report. You could select whatever you want, do the interval that you want. You know what, let's go crazy. Let's do, you know what, let's do 10. Come on now. Yeah, we want 10. We want it like to measure every 10. To measure elevation, elevation, give us different. Elevation, elevation, give us different. Elevation, elevation, give us different. And put that in a report for us, please. So click on this first and then click on this. It doesn't matter which one you click on first. Here we go. Vertical clearance. Here we go. You see, now we got them. As you see, the width changes. You know why? Because this is not the same width as here, and it changed later. And I'm just doing this so fast and so rushed. That's why if you want fully controlled, you get to modify this. If you want like your report to show a proper width, even this ratchet way you can fix it. Oh my God, come on, Windows. You get to modify them and how, if you want them to be like strictly proper width. But since we don't care about that, I'm just showing you another way of doing it. Tools. Oh yeah, by the way, well, yeah, it doesn't matter. So tools, save as, Excel. Let's name this LOL3. Desktop, save. Yeah, I love laughing. Laughing is good for the heart. We all have stressful lives and problems. We just want to be happy, right? And I wish everybody is listening to this are happy and having a wonderful day. I try to joke a lot because this stuff is complicated and hard and not easy. And it's hard to find a good source of information. And it's sad also in the civil engineering industry. There are a lot of people who want to share information. And some people, they just don't want to share it because they are too busy. Okay, so like I said, we can do it here. You can do it wherever you want. It's the same thing. Oh God, I wanted to make this. Equal this divided by, and you got your stations. And it's telling us around 110 is 5%. I mean, you can go double check too. So let's go check. Just remember, when we stationed this mess, we named this 1. I mean, this is gonna start at 1, so it's 110. Where's the measuring tool? Ooh, so 10 is gonna be somewhere here. Okay, so let's get this. Select the terrain. Is this 10? Yeah, it's around 10. Yeah, you see, it's around 5. So it's good. See, that's what I told you. It's a ratchet way, but it will work. You will get to evaluate existing elevation. And of course, a lot of people, if you're doing pavement design for the beginner of project, also for typical section packages, you need that. I mean, you need that to add these here, the slopes, for your typical section package and whatever you want to use them for. Yeah, and I hope this helps somebody out there. Where's the Excel? My silly way of doing it. And let's go back to the mystery. So the mystery, these people in Kentucky have it, and I think these people are actually using 10.9 now to think about it. It is 10.9 because this is 2020. Because 10.10 has not been released till 21. So that's why. Okay. Now I have a bone to pick with Bentley. Bentley, what's up, Bentley? What's up, Bentley? Why? Why you took that report? That report will make my life easier. Now I have to do this and then take the Excel. I'm just joking, Bentley. No, but seriously, guys, maybe it is actually that report is inside the 10.9, not 10.10. Okay, to summarize, well, first of all, thank you for watching the video. And this is just a way to get the existing slopes from a travel lane without the need of doing templates. And This is great resources. These people here at Kentucky, I don't even live in Kentucky. I think Kentucky is in Middle America. They have a lot of good videos. You guys should watch them if you want some help with ORD. They have some good stuff here. And like I said, if you want to run the templates, go ahead, do that. You can do that. DOT have a lot of videos to show it. I don't know if they have existing evaluation cross-slope for ORD. I don't think if they've done that. But it's as simple as doing the template. And the template is like this. But you need to modify the templates according to your road. And also Bentley OpenRoads, they have this method, method 2, they call it because they do cross sections. And they also have method 1, which is a basic template. Go watch the videos, use them if you prefer that. And what is going on here? Chat freely with us. Why am I seeing this ad? Why is this ad? Ad personalize is off. Yes, it is off. Okay, time of your day. Oh, okay. Interesting. So I'm seeing this ad because time of the day, your general location. Okay, so my location, people here are chatting with people? Huh? I love CAD videos and ORD videos, as you see. That's all I watch, but interesting. Cool. Google, get your stuff together. Yeah, so thank you. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps somebody out there. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful, amazing weekend coming if it's your weekend. And I will try to do more videos like this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be blessed. Thank you.